Hey, what's up, backyard terrain fans? We just finished up this pretty awesome ERIE 1-inch scale GP7. This thing turned out really great. As usual, all steel, 14 gauge body, 1/4-inch deck plate, aluminum sprung trucks with 4 motors. It's going to a really happy customer. We're going to go test run it at our local track pretty soon here. But yeah, I just wanted to show this thing off a little bit. Came out pretty awesome. We've got a sound switch and volume switch inside the cab here. And we actually have upgraded the smaller engines to a 10-pin mini MU connector now, which is pretty cool. Front and rear, actually. We actually left the flip lids off of it because they might break off. They're not really, they're a little fragile. They get stronger on the big engines, so you don't really need them anyways. So you can run this thing forwards or backwards. It's pretty cool. The standard notch up sound and stuff. Really smooth running engine. Heavier than our normal engine. We added a little bit more weight to the fuel tank. A lot of nice details, 256 scale bolts, metal horns, cast aluminum brake blister. I had to turn this thing down a little bit here. Actually a high gloss automotive finish, which people really like that. Yeah, I guess from the factory they probably weren't exactly this glossy, but you know, they look pretty good anyways. So this is all hand painted graphics, lighted number boards, LED headlights, perforated stairs. I think those are actually 16 gauge stairs. Nice glad hand boxes on the front. So there you go, ERIE 1210 in 1-inch scale, 4 3/4 gauge, backyard terrain company. Thanks a lot. Have a good one.